Hello guys, and welcome back to Online Second Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be showing us how to get the best graphics or the best settings to improve FPS in Marvel Rivals, and let's get straight into the video. So all you have to do is make your way over to settings, and from settings go over to display, and then from display just go down till you see quality. So what you want to do is you want to change the super resolution mode to native, or you can also change it to balanced. Performance will also be very good as well. It depends on how much you want to sacrifice your graphics, I guess. But like quality. But if you just want strictly FPS, you can go ahead and do it for performance. But if you want a mix, you can do balanced. Another thing you guys can do is turn off frame generation and turn off low latency as well. You can go ahead and limit FPS. Go ahead and limit FPS to whatever hertz your monitor is. And what you can also do is go down to optimize settings, and then I believe this will automatically do it, whatever is best for your PC. Or you can just go ahead and just set everything to low. It doesn't really matter. So as long as you have stuff like shadow, texture, effects, detail, that's set to low, then you should be good to go, and that is it. So yeah, that is it for the video. That is how to get the most amount of FPS. And yeah, so thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.